How are you, beautiful people? Thank you for stopping by. My name is Gina. If you're new here, welcome. If you are returning, thank you for coming back. Welcome to Season Beauties. Well, today we're going to do an unboxing of the May ONYX box. And before we do that, I just want to say, if you like what you see here, and I'm going to take a page from another YouTuber that said, even if this isn't your kind of video, subscribe anyway, because I'm bound to put something else out that you like, and then you'll already be a part of the family. So consider that as well by hitting that little subscribe button you see down below. Now, if you like what you see, by all means, comment, share the video. Okay? So, ONYX box. Let's talk about this for a second. This is a monthly beauty subscription, and enclosed in this box will be a minimum of 5 products, and the minimum retail value of the items that are enclosed in the box are at least $75 a month. The cost for the box is $25. That's pretty good right there. That's 3 times as much on the minimum side. So check it out. In the description box below, there will be a link to subscribe to it for yourself. Now, ONYX box has been so gracious enough to provide my subscribers with a discount code, so that when you go to subscribe, they will give you $10 off of your first box, which means the very first one will only be $15. So let's go ahead and get right in. Now, this box has, of course, the Impatipo symbol on it, and on the side of every box they give you a little message, and it says the Impatipo symbol is a sign of peace and unity, and our monthly celebration unites all skin tones and hair textures to discover the joy in Black beauty. We see you, we are with you, we are ONYX. And just in case I forgot to tell you, this box is designed with the Melanin Sisters in mind. So this box is created for women of color by women of color. Okay? So let's go ahead and dig right in and see what's in this month's box. So I just cut the box open, okay? I'm not cheating. Okay, and on the inside of the box, of course, is this beautiful artwork which shows the several different hues that are us. Okay, and also enclosed in the box is the monthly card, which is a description, gives you some beautiful artwork on there, and it gives you the theme for the month, which says deep breath. Alrighty. Now, since you are the one who always makes sure everyone else is taken care of, now it's time to hashtag treat yourself. Practicing self-care should be a regular part of your wellness routine and will keep you feeling refreshed all month long. Cozy up with a cup of chamomile tea, my husband would say coffee, and enjoy these at-home spa day essentials. XO, the ONYX box team. Okay, now the first item in here is a Skinesque 3-step mask duo. Okay, so it is 2. Okay, 2 of them. All right, and it says these travel-friendly 3-step packs are a complete facial treatment consisting of a gentle foaming cleanser, hydrating essence, and brightening face mask. Apply the aqua, which is this one, plus super fine mask for hydration, and the brightening, which is this one right here, charcoal mask for a brighter complexion. Now, the suggested retail price for these 2 right here, $15. And I did go in, I'm checking right now. Okay, it says this product is formulated without paraffin, sulfates, and synthetic fibers. So, right off the bat, it's good stuff right there. And it says step 1 is the gentle. They both say the same thing, so I'm going to show you this one as I read the other one. It says gentle foaming cleanser. That's step 1. Step 2 is the Hydra Essence, and that's with sodium hydrogenate. And the gentle foaming cleanser is with papaya and apple extracts. Okay, and then it said step 3 on this one is brightening charcoal black mask, and on the aqua it says superfine microfiber mask. Okay, I'm sorry, I looked down at this, and this right here says Aqua Plus. Okay, so that's our first product, and as I said, manufacturer suggested retail price is $15. Okay, back to the card, and the next one is an ONYX. Wow, I almost dropped that. An ONYX handmade whipped pudding moisture cream. Okay, that's this right here. Okay, and this says this rich multi-purpose butter is one of our favorite treats for hair and body. Use whipped pudding after washing to lock in moisture or as a pre-shampoo deep conditioning treatment. For the body, whipped pudding melts into your skin, leaving a velvety softness behind. The manufacturer suggested retail price on that one, on this one, is $13.99. Oh, okay, the top. The cover came off in the top. Okay. Wow, that's a really thick consistency. I know it's a little difficult to see. There we go. Really thick consistency. Really thick. Well, that's all I got off of there after rubbing my hand across the top. So, that's pretty good. Oh. And it smells like cocoa butter and shape. Oh, it feels really nice. And it's not greasy. Okay. Uh-oh. And it's not greasy at all. Which, that's pretty good. Especially if you're in a rush. Okay. So, that one is item number 2. Item number 3 is by Manicador. Okay. Okay, it's by Manicador Cosmetics, and it's called Aphrodite Nemesis eyeshadow. Okay, so it's 2 eyeshadows in one. There are the colors, which are beautiful. I just swatched them so we could see. Oh, one of them is like a really nice bronzy color. And the other one is just a little bit brighter. You know, first of all, I have plenty of melanin in my skin, so it's probably going to show up a lot better on someone else, a little bit lighter than me. Well, I don't know. That's kind of beautiful right there. Okay, now let's see what it says about this product. Maybe I should open that. I don't want to leave a glare in your face. Okay, there we go. Now this says, add a flush of color with this vibrant and buttery soft duo. This 3-in-1 product is, in a universal shade, can be used as a blush, highlighter, and eyeshadow. Ideal whenever you need a glow, whether at home or on the go. And the manufacturer suggested retail price on this, $21. Okay. Not bad. Alrighty, back into the box again. Nice. Okay. And this one, well, let's just go ahead and take it out of the container. Is a kabuki brush. Alright, and this is by Crown Brush, and it's called the Pink Kabuki Brush. It says, give your vanity the perfect pop of color with this quality brush. expertly designed for all over medium to full coverage powder product application for face and body. Its round top and large head make applications quick, easy, and flawless. Okay, I'm actually running it over. I'm sorry. The manufacturer suggested retail price on this one is $4.99. Now, let me just tell you, I don't know if this is a testament to the eyeshadow. The kabuki brush, absolutely very, very soft. Eyeshadow did not budge. Did not budge at all. As many times as I went over it with this, didn't budge, not once. So, but it's very nice. It doesn't feel prickly or anything like that on the top. It's just very nice. Okay, and soft. So, that is product number 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. Now, the next product is, by a company called Patchology. And this is called the Flash Patch. And this is rejuvenating eye gels. And this says, you just woke up like this suddenly looks a whole lot brighter. More effective than topical creams or serums. This patch technology accelerates the delivery of essential ingredients, caffeine, and hydrolyzed. I can't talk, I promise you. And I definitely can read. Look, went through way too much schooling for that. Okay. Okay. Digress for a moment there. Anyway. This patch technology accelerates the delivery of essential ingredients, caffeine, and hydrolyzed collagen. Refresh in an instant. That's this product right here. Okay? Then we have a couple more, and these are bonus products this month. Okay? So in addition to the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we actually got 7. Okay, so the next one is the Pearlise Blue Lotus 4-in-1 Cleansing Milk. This is a deluxe travel size, and while I was waiting, I kind of went online so that I could pull the information about this, so I would have correct information to give you. Now this says it's a 1 ounce size, and this goes for $20. Now I have used this product before, which I absolutely, absolutely love, and would definitely purchase it again. Okay, manufacturer suggested retail price on this item $20. The last item in the box is by a company called Perique Facial Serum, and it's called Reface Me. And that's this one right here. And this particular product is it's not a deluxe travel size. This is a full size anti-aging, age-defying 20% vitamin C serum. And the manufacturer suggested retail price on this item right here is $26. And as I said, it is a full-size product. Now, while I was checking this online, it says it is currently out of stock. So, just so you know, in case you wanted to go in and get it. But it is not too late. I do repeat, it is not too late to get this month's ONYX box, okay? Which means this would be included in the box as one of the bonus items. Okay, so that is it. Well, how about that? At the bottom of every box, it says, welcome to the queendom. Okay, so just so you have an idea, I do want to reiterate below is, in the description box, is the link for the ONYX box. So if you choose to subscribe, I would like to let you know that my subscribers have been given the honor of a discount code where you will get $10 off of your first box, And that first box will be $15, and you'll still get all these same wonderful products and everything in it, and everything that ONYX Box has to offer. So thanks again for stopping by. And remember, regardless of the season that you are in, which means the age that you are and will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time, peace, and we love you.